Good evening and welcome to 200forexflips.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 1st of February 2019. Okay guys, I was traveling throughout the week and today I get a chance to provide the analysis for the market, and moreover the market was also not very much clear. We have seen a lot of volatility in the market, so you can say that the previous week was really not good for trading. However, let's get started with today's analysis, and I'm going to start from Euro USD and Euro USD with a bullish expectation from 114468 and 114915 is the target price. And guys, you can see that already the entry was broke and Euro USD is on the way towards the upward momentum. So I congratulate all those traders who have taken the buy positions. They must have collected the profit with no problems. Okay, now let's talk about the drop that we have seen on Great Britain Pound USD today, and this drop was already provided by 200 Forex Webs in the morning. 131011 was the entry and 129226 is the target price. And guys, you can see it has taken a slight U-turn, and after that finally it has break the level and Great Britain Pound USD has went down as per the prediction. So you must have collected the profit on this pair. Okay, now let's move towards AUD USD. I'm going to switch my chart so that we can discuss about it. So the market is a bit slow today. However, it is showing us some momentum, but it's a bit slow. AUD USD with a bullish expectation from 072501 and 073026, and guys, you can clearly see that the level is already break and AUD USD is making the upward momentum, and if it continue the growth like this, then it can reach out to 073026. But however, I am again repeating that the momentum is very slow. So it's good if you prefer scalping on this pair, because taking long positions is not a wise idea. Okay, now let's talk about the drop that we have seen today on USD CHF. 099533 is the entry and 099090 is the target price. However, guys, already we have a 4 hours big drop on USD CHF, and if you have already taken the profit, then this is fine to exit, because this is so much for taking a profit, because when I supplied the signals, you put these signals on the 1 hour chart, and 4 hour drop is more than enough for taking a profit. So be careful, do not greed in Forex, otherwise you can lose. Okay, now let's talk about Great Britain Pound JPY. Within a single candle, a bearish move was supplied by the market today, and 142629 is the entry and 140319 is the target price. However, you can see targeted price is not met, but we have already the drop on Great Britain Pound JPY that shows the weakness of this pair. Now let's talk about Euro JPY, the second last pair of my signals report. Euro JPY with a bullish trend from 1 to 4638 and 1 to 5122 is the target price. And guys, you can see the entry was break few hours ago, and Euro JPY is almost near to the targeted price. So if it continue the bullish pattern like this, then it can reach out to 125122. At last, I'm going to talk about the final pair of my signals report. That's the AUD JPY that has proper entered into our entry zone. Rest of the pairs have not entered into our entry zone, so we will not discuss those pairs. So AUD JPY with a bullish expectation from 78924 and 79336 is the target price. And guys, clearly if you look at here, AUD USD has moved up, so 4 hours profit on this pair. So guys, I normally prefer that whenever you have got 3 to 4 hour profit, then that's too much, because you know the gap in my signals is quite high. So it is possible that sometimes the signal is not fully satisfied, because I do not give the take profit in my signals. Instead, I give the target price in my signals. So be careful while taking the trades. Do not greed. I repeat, do not greed. Once you have got the reasonable profit at your hand, simply close your trade and enjoy the profits. Okay guys, moreover about the Telegram channel, let me give you an update that I have switched the Telegram channel also to the swing trading, because the last week we have seen a lot of volatility in the market and scalping signals were not performing very much good. So I decided that I will give the scalping signals, but most of the time I will give the swing trading signals. So for the traders who are willing to trade for a longer period of time with the longer swings, then they can contact me for the Telegram channel also. So guys, I'm again repeating that we have added the swing trading in the Telegram channel. We are not supplying the scalping signals all the time, so you will also get the the swing trading. Okay guys, Now let's talk about the trading system. Let's say look at here, Euro USD went up into the top red boundary, and then you look that the market was getting the rejection, so it was a clear sign that the market is dropping, so you can sell the pair as per the trading system. Like as per the trading system, the market went into the lower red boundary, then we have seen a significant upward momentum, the market moved up. And if you look at here, then today this candle is closed above the middle line, above the dotted middle line, so there are chances that the market can go further up. So this is how we use the trading system. So guys, we use a lot of methods, but this is the trading system that assist us during our trading. So guys, if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to join my Telegram channel, if you want to get the video lessons from me, if you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, or you are interested in the signal service, for all these services you need to contact me on this email, info@200forexpips.com. Please like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.